Ginny. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here watching my video today. If you are new here, I am a published food photographer from Charlotte, North Carolina, and on this channel I make delicious vegan recipes. So today I'm going to be doing another what I eat in a day video. I love making these. They're so fun to do, and they're a little bit of a change up from my regular videos, which are usually just solo recipes that I create and test and like to share with y'all. So these are always really fun to do, and it's just a little bit of a peek into my everyday eating routine. If I could describe how I eat, I would describe it as I eat a whole food plant-based vegan diet. I would say 90% of the way that I eat is whole food plant-based, and another 10 is, you know, not exactly whole food, because I like to cook with oil and, you know, bake with vegan butters and occasionally have vegan mock meats and stuff like that. So, you know, I use those things sparingly, but for the most part I do eat a whole food plant-based diet most of the time. It's really important to me to eat very nutritiously, especially as I'm getting older, and it just makes me feel good. I am so much happier and so much more vibrant and alive now that I'm eating a whole food plant-based diet. I just feel so much better that way, and a lot of people do. That's why you're seeing such a major increase in the plant-based movement and people wanting to, you know, go plant-based and eliminate meat and dairy, because people are feeling so good this way. So in the video today, I'm going to be just sharing with you like a typical weekend day of eating for me. This is very realistic. This is how I pretty much eat on a regular basis. So I hope that you find a lot of value in this video and you try some of the recipes that I'm sharing with you today. And stick around and enjoy the video. So for breakfast today, I'm going to be having a cereal bowl with berries, and the base of this cereal bowl is my homemade cinnamon pecan granola that I used in my holiday parfait video. So I will leave the link to that below, but this is so good with homemade granola. I cannot even stress that enough. It is amazing. And for the toppings, I am using frozen wild blueberries, hemp seeds, some chopped strawberries, and my favorite plant milk right now, which is oat milk. I think oat milk is the most delicious plant-based milk, so definitely try it. It is amazing. This cereal bowl was absolutely fantastic. I cannot get over how good it was, especially with the homemade granola. I made it right when it came out of the oven, so it was a little bit warm. So, oh my gosh, you guys, it was so delicious. So this is a great option for anyone who wants to change up their breakfast routine. And for lunch today, I'm going to be having a really big mixed green salad with some homemade liquid gold dressing. In a small little mini food processor, add some olive oil, fresh lemon juice, Dijon mustard, some maple syrup, minced garlic, some Himalayan sea salt, and just a little pinch of some red pepper flakes. I love making my homemade dressings because I can control the ingredients, whereas a lot of store-bought dressings have so much processed crap in it. So this is a great everyday dressing for pretty much any salad. You can use it as a marinade, but yeah, it'll last me maybe 3 or 4 days. For the base of the salad, I'm just using some mixed greens, but you can also use spinach or kale. And for the toppings, I'm just using things that I had in the refrigerator, like some red cabbage, shredded carrots, some diced white onions, fresh chopped up cucumbers, some black beans, which I always try to add some kind of bean or grain to my salads just to add a lot more nutrition. Then some chopped baby tomatoes, pistachios, raisins, which is one of my favorite salad toppings. I know that's weird, but raisins are so good in salads. And that is basically the base of it. And then I'm just drizzling a little bit of the homemade dressing on top, and that's it. I'm having it with a dollop of hummus and a couple sea salt and cracked pepper Triscuits, which just have 3 ingredients. And that is my healthy lunch today. And for snack today, I'm having a Bliss Ball. I just made a video for this recipe, so check that out. But these are great little homemade treats, and they are just such a great little snack option for, you know, just holding you over between meals. Tonight for dinner, I'm making an oil-free pumpkin pasta. I made this up on the fly and it came out so delicious. Start off by boiling your pasta. I'm just using a 16-ounce bag of penne, but bowtie would also be a really good option. Then in a large saucepan, add 1 can of pumpkin puree and 1 can of light coconut milk. Then I'm just adding a little bit of minced garlic, smoked paprika, sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. And I also decided to add a little bit of sage and cumin because those flavors go really well with pumpkin. And I'm just stirring that around and cooking it on about medium heat for 10 minutes until it gets hot and all the flavors are combined. Then once the pasta is done cooking, you can drain it and add it to the sauce. And I tasted it and I felt like it needed just a little bit more salt and fresh ground cracked pepper, so I added that. Always remember to taste your food as you're cooking so that you can adjust the seasonings as necessary. I loved this dinner. I actually felt like it was even better the next day for leftovers, and it made like 3 lunches for me and Matt, so it's a great option for meal planning for the week. Quick, easy, and delicious. I hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know to continue to make more of them. And hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification beside it so that you will always be notified of when I upload my next video. And that is all for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!